Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3rd, fiber to fabric. We revise this chapter. So, shall we start? You know well, what do you mean by fiber? Small thread-like structures which are used to make fabrics are known as strong, long, thread-like structures which are used to make fabrics known as fibers. Fibers basically are of two types: synthetic fiber, natural fiber. Fibers which obtained from the plants and animals are called, natural fiber. The fibers which are synthesized in factories from the chemicals. What is raw material? What kind of the chemicals used to make fabrics? Petrochemicals, petroleum products. Got it? Now, natural fiber examples: cotton, silk, jute, sun, hemp. Cotton, jute, sun, hemp, these are the plant fibers. Animal fiber, silk and wool. Silk and wool are the animal fibers. These fibers twisted over one another and they form the long thread-like structures, long threads, and these threads are known as, who will tell me? Yarn. This a thread made by the spinning fibers known as yarn, and this yarn is used to make our fabrics. Now look over here, cotton cultivation, and for the cotton cultivation we use which kind of soil? Black soil. And one another kind of soil is important to the cotton cultivation. Alluvial soil. Alluvial soil, the soil which is carried by the rivers, water streams from one place to another. The soil which is carried by the rivers from one place to another, or you can say the soil which deposit after the flood is known as alluvial soil. Cotton plants, cotton cultivation, warm and humid climate, and now when cotton flowers, purple color flowers, and a fruit develop over here, and this fruit just like to the size of the lemon, and this is called as cotton balls. The fruit of cotton known as cotton balls. Now, cotton fibers contain seeds. Separation of seeds from the cotton fibers, or you can say the separation of fiber from the cotton seeds. This process is known as ginning. This process is known as ginning, and this ginning occur by the number of big machineries, ginners, and we also can it by hands manually or by combing, by combs. Now spinning. The process of twisting fibers एक दूसरे को लपेट देंगे to make the yarn. This process is known as spinning. The process of obtaining fabrics from the yarn, this can be done by certain manual works, charkha, simple machines, charkha, number one, dhekli, takli, spinning of fibers. Next one, we use the yarn to make fabrics. Weavers use the looms, hand looms. Looms may be of two types: hand looms manually by machines, electric supply machines. These are known as power looms. Hand loom by with the hands, and second one by the power looms. Now the process of making fabric from the yarn can be done by two steps. Can be done into the two steps. First step is first step is by two methods. First method is the weaving and second one knitting. In case of knitting, मम्मा स्वेटर बनाती रहती हैं by iron rods. In this process she use only single wool yarn. So the technique, the method by or art making fabric from the single long yarn is known as knitting. Now next one, the process of making fabric from the two sets of the yarn is known as weaving. And in this weaving there are some vertical fibers, there are some horizontal fibers known as warp and weft. Now next is the jute. And jute fibers, jute are long grass like plants. Jute are the long grass like plants. They sown during the rainy season, and during rainy season they grow fast and up to 1 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter height. When it start to flowering, we harvest the jute stems. And then this jute stem, how can we obtain the jute fiber from these stems, these plants, harvested jute? We make these grass bundles. We make the bundles and put them into the water, pond, pools, up to the 20 days, 25 days. The bacteria decompose all the organic matter that is present in the grass, in this jute plant, and left the fibers. These fibers dry up in the sun, and then we obtain the fiber. The process of rotting means sadhana. The process of rotting of jute fibers, make a bundle of jute fiber, put them into the water for soaking up to 20 days. Bacteria decompose the material, organic matter. This process is known as rating of fiber. क्या कहेंगे? Rating of fiber. Separation of jute fiber from the soaked or rotten stem of the jute by hands. Now shearing. The removal of fleece hairs, body hairs. Removal of body hairs, fleece from the body of sheep is known as shearing. One more important term arise over here: sericulture. Sericulture, rearing, caring of the silk worm to obtain the silk, is known as sericulture.